friends, welcome back to Tiny Tales with Tia. Today we're going to be reading That's Not My Llama, That's Not My Puppy, That's Not My Pirate, and That's Not My Koala. Let's get started. The first book we're going to be reading is That's Not My Koala. Its nose is too shiny. That's not my koala. Its tummy is too fuzzy. That's not my koala. Its paws are too soft. That's not my koala. Its tongue is too rough. That's not my koala. Its clothes are too smooth. That's my koala. Its ears are so fluffy. All the koalas were so cute. Now let's move on to the next book. That's not my llama. Its fur is too tufty. That's not my llama. Its patches are too smooth. That's not my llama. Its hooves are too shiny. That's not my llama. Its nose is too fuzzy. That's not my llama. Its tail is too hairy. That's my llama. Its ears are so soft. Now we're going to be reading That's Not My Puppy. Its coat is too hairy. That's not my puppy. Its tail is too fluffy. That's not my puppy. Its paws are too bumpy. That's not my puppy. Its collar is too shiny. That's not my puppy. Its ears are too shaggy. That's my puppy. Its nose is so squashy. And the last book we're going to be reading is That's Not My Pirate. Its scarf is too rough. That's not my pirate. His hat is too soft. That's not my pirate. Her skirt is too silky. That's not my pirate. His eye patch is too bumpy. That's not my pirate. His cutlass is too glittery. That's my pirate. His beard is so fluffy. Thank you for reading all these books with me. We have a lot more touch and feel books, so make sure to go and check out the playlist. Bye! See you next time!